The hairstyle that I'm going to be showing you today is very classy. It can work for so many different formal occasions. A recital comes to mind, as well as bridesmaid. Many of those things are happening this time of year. Anything formal, a performance that you might be going to, or a dance, this would work very well for all of those. And keep in mind, this is a very classy, classical look, so if you're going for that for an updo, this is going to meet your needs perfectly and also stand out as something extra special with the little touches that we're doing. So I'm starting off with this piece that I've sectioned off in front of my ear, doing a Dutch braid. And if you're not familiar with how to do a Dutch braid, I'll put a link there for you to see how to do that a little bit more closely. But I'm going to go pretty slowly here so you can see how I'm picking up a little bit of hair with each strand and then folding the strands under. Now I've parted my hair off center, and I'm doing this on the smaller section of my hair. So that's where the panel's going to be. Pull your Dutch braid as tight as you can as you're going, because the tighter you pull it, the more it's going to hold its place when we fluff out the braid, also called pancaking. We're going to completely Dutch braid the entirety of this panel. And once we get to the end, we're going to work on pancaking the hair that we've already braided. But again, we're going to have to hold each strand pretty tightly in order to do so and get the desired effect. So now that I have all my hair together, I'm going to pull it one or two more stitches just to get it nice and snug. And then looking in the mirror, you want to grab each link sticking out and give it a tug, exerting more pressure as you go outwards, less pressure when you start. Now we're going back to the rest of the hair, and we're going to continue to braid it all the way down. About every 5 sections, we're going to pull out the hair again, as much as we can, giving it that beautiful pancaking shape, adding a ton more volume to our braid. Once you reach the end, tie it off with an elastic. And now we're going to dress the rest of the hair. You want to slick it back, but have it hold the shape that you want. So look in the mirror in the front as well as the back to make sure the shape is what you like. And now we're going to start twisting in a counterclockwise motion. And now wrap your hair counterclockwise. The tighter you make the twist, the smaller your bun will be. The looser, the larger the bun will be. And this is pretty much a basic Cinnabon. I'm going to use my regular size bobby pins. Remember, the bumpy side towards your head. Go through as many layers of the bun as you can, and probably just the 4 compass points should hold it in place until we get to the braid. Look in the mirror and drape your braid over across the bun, and we're going to go around clockwise. Pull it to the end if you can, and see how the braid lays across the bun. You want it up against the bun, not too tight, not too loose, just right up against it. And then pin it into place. Again, make sure your bobby pin is going through the braid as well as many layers of the bun as possible to help hold everything into place. Now adjust. If there's any pieces you don't like, you can easily adjust them. And we're going to add a really great accessory that's super popular this year, the ribbon bow. So I'm just going to tie a bow like that with regular growth green ribbon. Shape it the way that I like, and slip a bobby pin through, the smooth side through the knot. The bumpy side is out because that side is going to go against our head to have the most grip. And pin it right where you would like it. I really like how it looks on the bottom here. You can do it on the top, off center, whichever you like. And that is the completed look. It is so elegant and a lot easier than it looks. If you do this hairstyle, please take pictures and let me know. You can follow me on Facebook as well as Instagram, and I'll put the links below.